Good day to all. Welcome to another episode of SG Doctor Wellness. Hope you had a great week, and it's Coach Alvin here once again. Today, our discussion will be about juice-based diet, also known as juicing. This dietary regime has been gaining popularity as a means for weight loss and detoxification. However, does it really bring about the health benefits that it claims to? Today, we'll take a closer look at the pros and cons of juicing, how it works, and whether it can help you actually lose weight. Before we begin, keep our channel full of juice by hitting the subscribe and notification buttons now. So, how does a juice-based diet work? Juicing involves extracting the juice from fresh fruits and vegetables, which retains most of the nutrients and minerals from these sources. However, the beneficial fiber from these sources is often destroyed in the juicing process. A strict juicing diet routine is typically done over a short time span, say 3 to 5 days, to avoid potential harm to the body. One of the biggest benefits of juicing is convenience. It's easy to get nutrients from an array of vegetables and fruits into one glass, making it a quick and efficient way to consume your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. Additionally, during the period of juicing intake, it can support weight loss. However, on the downside, juicing can be sugar-loaded, and a glass of orange juice might contain up to 5 times the amount of sugar compared to consuming one orange at a time. Moreover, juicing removes a significant portion of fiber content from the fruits and vegetables, which is essential for our digestive health. Furthermore, there is little scientific evidence that juicing is good for detoxification. In fact, our body naturally detoxifies through the liver, kidney, lungs, guts, and skin. Finally, juicing does not contain essential protein for muscle growth and recovery. Now will be the million-dollar question: can you lose weight by only drinking juice? The short answer is yes. However, it is not sustainable and not recommended for the long term. A juice diet regimen typically restricts an individual to 800 to 1000 calories per day, which might be too little to last through the day. With such a massive calorie deficit, weight loss will occur within the first few days of the diet plan. Still, the loss will gradually plateau in the long run as the metabolic rate of the body slows down, which means the body will tend to store as much fats as possible with the slowing down of the fat burning process of the body. So then, what is the best way to lose weight? The best way, of course, to lose weight is by consuming whole foods that are nutritionally balanced, avoid processed foods such as processed meat and refined sugar, and most importantly, exercise. Instead of relying solely on juicing, consider adding fresh fruits and vegetables to your daily diet, which will provide you with the necessary nutrients and fiber that your body really needs. In conclusion, while juicing can be a convenient and efficient way to consume your daily dose of vitamins and minerals, it also has its drawbacks, including the lack of fiber, potential weight rebound, and little scientific evidence on the detoxification benefits. Therefore, it is essential to incorporate juicing as part of a balanced and healthy diet and not rely it as a sole means for weight loss and detoxification. Remember, a healthy lifestyle involves a combination of proper nutrition, regular exercise, and balanced mental health. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this episode has been helpful. Stay safe and stay healthy.